Okay, I need to go grocery shopping ASAP. Alright, so I did the grocery shopping. Obviously got some essentials for my brother as well. I also bought some spaghetti squash because, I don't know, I just want to try it out and see what it tastes like. I don't think I've ever had it. Okay, this stuff is so good. So I thought I would get this for days where I wanted just a little bit of protein but didn't want to actually like make something. Alright, I'm starting with the fruits. So I love making this snack prep because it's so easy to just take with you anywhere, work, school, anything like that. So this is my little setup. First prep is done! I'm so happy. I only have everything else to go. Really, the goal of this prep is just to make things easier when I want to make dinner, so that I'm not left with doing everything at that moment. And because of that, not tempted to eat elsewhere outside. Because these are so easy to chop and all I really do is just cut it in half, I'm just gonna get rid of the ends and have them washed so that it eliminates that process when I want to make it. Okay, I think this will be enough, hopefully. Maybe I'll just dice a couple of them into halves and then put it in a smaller container, and then I'm going to use these ones first so that it's less likely to go bad. There we go. I don't know how to go about this. I've never made this before. Okay. Oh my god, I don't think it'll fit. Ah! There we go. All right, finally, we've got the carrots. I really don't want to cut them all this size because I want versatility again. So we have the two kinds. We have this one, which you can add to like rice, things like that, and then this one, which I will probably do in salads. I didn't have any meals planned when I did this. I just got creative with staple ingredients I knew I was able to utilize. You can go ahead and plan meals and base your ingredients off of that. Take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes before you go grocery shopping to plan ahead, and if this creates more convenience for you, then by all means, go with whichever route you feel comfortable with. I attempt to make food now. It is 3 p.m. and I have not had anything to eat. That's okay. I feel fine. I had my shake after my workout, but it is time to get some solid food into me. Potatoes. We need potatoes. I could have prepped this stuff too, but I didn't. I'm just gonna leave the skin on because they're organic, so no harmful chemicals were used in the process of making these vegetables. This is a really awkward angle. And I only need like 1/2 of the onions, so I'm just gonna quickly prep this one. So I put the other half in a glass container because we don't want it to smell.
I love massaging the oil into the vegetables because it just gives it a nice even coat and ends up being crispy on the outside, mushy on the inside. It's just really nice.
All right, so I don't want the potato and the Brussels sprouts to cook all the way through. I'm gonna start on kind of mixing the sauce. This is something that I've had at Earl's, the black, like butter black kale salad. I'm pretty sure since I've had it, they've taken it off the menu, but it's one of my favorite dishes. What I'm gonna do is a little bit of avocado oil, a little bit of oat milk. I don't know how it'll be with these two, but I don't like the idea of heavy cream, so I'm just gonna substitute these two and see how it goes. I'm not really used to cooking with chicken, so I like to make it into small pieces so I know it's thoroughly cooked. The chicken that I'm using here was already pre-prepped, cut into small pieces and frozen, so all I had to do was let it thaw out and season and batter. I'm also adding to this a sauce from a honey garlic recipe that I found online, and honestly, I think this was like the best chicken I've ever made. Potatoes are best kept whole, but 2 recipes called for diced potatoes, so I should have had some pre-pepped. But for the most part, I kept the potatoes whole because I know that this is how they maintain freshness. If you're going to be using them the next day, you can always just pre-dice and leave them in water, keep it in the fridge. Or you can have some pre-cooked, or you can buy it pre-cooked as well, and this is going to save you more time in preparation. Be sure to like this video as this helps more people discover this channel, and also be subscribed so I can see you back for more nutrition and wellness habits made easy. Alright, take care guys. Bye.